SoundCloud is a fantastic platform for discovering new music. But what if I told you that you could actually make money online just by listening to music on SoundCloud? It doesn't matter where you're from. India, the Philippines, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or anywhere else. You can earn money online by simply enjoying music. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. SoundCloud stands as one of the most popular platforms for music discovery and listening. But imagine earning money online simply by listening to music. How awesome would that be? So, let's talk about the earnings potential here. You can see that you can make tens or even hundreds of dollars just by listening to music. Here's the breakdown. Listening to one song gets you $3.50, 10 songs earn you $35, 20 songs can bring in $70, and listening to 50 songs a day could mean $175. And the best part is, you can do this as many times as you want. Plus, it's completely free. You don't need to invest any money to get started. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to enjoy the music. First things first, go to soundcloud.com. This website allows you to discover music and enjoy a wide variety of music and songs. Signing up for SoundCloud is absolutely free, and you can see there's a ton of trending music right here. This music spans different languages, and you can easily download the SoundCloud app on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. If you're on Android, simply head to the Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud to find the app, with over 5 million reviews attesting to its quality. Similarly, if you're an iPhone user, you can find and download the same app in your App Store. Once you've downloaded SoundCloud, you can start exploring and listening to new music. What I usually do is I scroll down and click on Explore Trending Playlists. This takes me to a page where I can categorize music into different genres. For instance, if I want to listen to music in a specific category, I just click on the music and it takes me to a page where I can hit the play button to start listening. You'll find playlists with multiple songs to enjoy. Now that you've got SoundCloud down, let me introduce you to another website where you can search for song lyrics. Head over to lyrics.com where you can access lyrics for various songs. For example, if you're interested in the lyrics of Bruno Mars's Leave the Door Open, click on the link and it'll take you to the songs page where you can listen to the music while following the lyrics. Pay attention to the lyrics, as this presents a fantastic opportunity to listen to music and transcribe the lyrics. Transcribing a simple piece of music like this can earn you a few dollars repeatedly. Looking at the numbers, each audio minute is worth $1.25 when you listen to the music and transcribe it into lyrics. Most songs are around 3 minutes in length, so based on this rate, one song can earn you $3.75 over and over again. Now let's move on to the next website, rev.com. This platform offers various opportunities to transcribe different types of music and videos. If you find this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. Alright, let's talk about the first category of tasks that are available globally and require no upfront investment. These tasks are quick and straightforward, and you can earn $1.25 for each minute of audio you transcribe into lyrics. For example, when you listen to SoundCloud songs and transcribe them into written text, you get paid for every minute of audio. Given the vast amount of music on SoundCloud, they need people like you and me to transcribe it into written lyrics. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, scroll down to the bottom of rev.com's homepage and click on Freelancers under the About section. This will take you to a page with freelance job opportunities that pay well and allow you to work from home. You can earn money online by transcribing various audio and music files on your own schedule. You can work 3 hours, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes whenever you want. Rev.com offers hundreds of tasks, and you get paid weekly directly into your PayPal account, always on time. There are mainly two types of jobs: transcriptionist and captioner. Choose transcriptionist and click on Learn More. This will lead you to a page where you can learn more about the work and how to join and get approved to start transcribing music and audio files for money. To sign up, just scroll down and click on the Sign Up Now button to become a Rev transcriptionist. I'll show you practical examples of how to transcribe on this platform using free software and how to maximize your earnings. But before that, let me introduce you to another website where you can find various transcription jobs. The second website is gotranscript.com. They offer a high rate for online transcription work, paying 86 cents for every audio and video minute, which is quite generous. So, for a typical 3-minute song, you can earn $2.58 just by listening and transcribing it. Here's a tip from my experience. Sign up on multiple platforms. Join gotranscript.com and rev.com to increase your chances of finding different job opportunities worldwide. Once again, with gotranscript.com, you can work from home, receive support when needed, get paid weekly via PayPal, and choose your own working hours. You can explore a variety of projects and start transcribing different music and songs. To get started, scroll down to the bottom and click on Work and then Apply Now. This will take you to a page where you can log into your gotranscript.com account. Just enter your email and password and click Sign Up. It's that straightforward. Now that you've signed up for both platforms and are ready to make money online by listening and transcribing music, I'll show you a free online tool that will simplify your transcription work: otranscribe.com. When you arrive at this page, click on the blue button to start transcribing. Once you select the music you want to transcribe, you can either download the audio file or get a link to the music. For instance, on Soundcloud, you can find a share button, which when clicked, provides a link to the music. You can copy this link or upload the music file directly into the software using the provided button. This free tool will automatically transcribe the music into written words, although you may need to correct minor grammar or spelling errors. It's a handy application that makes your task easier. Here's a bonus tip to multiply your earnings. On rev.com, a standard transcription job pays $1.25 per minute, but foreign subtitles can earn you anywhere from $3 to $7 per minute, which is a substantial increase. So, when you explore SoundCloud, you'll find music in different languages. If you can transcribe music in foreign languages, you'll be paid considerably more. For translation, you can use another free tool, dipple.com. This platform allows you to translate content from one language to another. For instance, you can translate a German song into English or an English song into another language of your choice. Alternatively, you can upload the entire audio file and the program will do the translation for you. This is another free tool that can help you earn more money online with the potential to earn up to $7 per minute. Remember, job opportunities may vary depending on your location. Sometimes you'll find lower paying jobs, and other times you'll stumble upon higher paying ones. The key is to diversify your options by signing up on multiple platforms, giving you access to a wide range of job opportunities from around the world. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!